Okay, to say that this is one of my favorite Amazon purchases is a complete understatement. We have a newborn at home, so we needed to get a humidifier for the bedroom. What I love about this one is you can control how high or low the setting is. You can adjust where the water flows. Right here it's going straight up. For us, I want it out towards the bed, so I tilt this and it blows out this way. And also it's got different light settings, and for me this is a massive game changer because I don't have to sleep with a nightlight on. This is bright enough for me to see her at night. Also, I was not aware that you can put essential oils in this. Love that feature. I highly suggest getting this.
So I bought this humidifier because when I looked at it, it looked like something easy to clean. So when I lift it up, this is what I found. It's pretty cool. It has a big wide area. My hands can get in there. I can clean this whole section easily. Let's see if this piece comes off. Oh yeah, it pops right off. All right, perfect. So I guess we can also clean these pieces. So I really like this. Oh my Lord. It's easy to clean. Let's put this back together. Easy to clean and easy to go back together. Look at that. All right. I'll review it. I'm gonna use it for a couple of weeks and see how it pans out.
It's pretty cool because if you don't want the light on, you just want the humidifier on, you can turn the light off and the humidifier is still running. And then the more you turn it, the higher and the faster the mist comes out.
Look at my purifier. Isn't she cute? The cinnamon. Look, he got a, but it does not come like this. But I got this from Amazon, and she just goes different colors, and you fill this all the way up. So, ooh, baby, she be purified, and she a strong one too. Her room just smells good. But this one right here, yes, I recommend. Had no problems with it, and it just changes colors. It has a timer on it too. 3 buttons. You can just change it. And I just put these stickers on it, so you can decorate it and stuff. But yeah, purifier, this is the one I use. Love it.
Just a short video of what it looks like as it's changing colors. This thing works great. I have a very large living room area, and it's actually keeping more than my living room humidified. Works great.
his job. Ball control, it's been the Dolphins with 14 plays to the Rams 6. Third possession for LA, down 7.